and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to write an idle week using templates. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So if you want to write about your idle week in your template section, then all you can do is simply go to any of the writing tools. And using Canva over here, you can simply go to Canva, and in the Canva, you can go to templates. In templates, you can simply go to search templates, and here you can simply write idle week. Once you have written your idle week, it will give you several of your templates that you can customize, and you can simply get that template on your own device. And once you have got that one template, then you can customize it as per your liking. So there are like different idle ways that can be helpful to make your week idle. So you can simply write about it and you can share about it as well. So this is how you can write an idle week using templates. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.